Hello, good afternoon, Fields Falcons. Good afternoon, Falcons and Falcon families. We have reached another Friday. I cannot believe that this is the third week of school has gone by. Y'all are doing a great job. Today is Friday, September 11th, 2020. Buenas tardes a todos. Yo soy Miss Charla, soy la directora. Aquí estamos otra vez, una viernes. Ya no puedo creer que ya son 3 semanas de la escuela que han pasado, pero todos están haciendo muy buen trabajo. So, muchísimas gracias por todo eso. Boys and girls, Fields families, we want to continue to remind you that we are Falcons and that Falcons soar. And this means that we show respect, we own our actions, we act safely, and we rise to the challenge. We're always doing our best and we're always working really hard. Queremos recordar a todos que somos falcones y falcones huelen muy altos, ¿verdad? Y para hacer eso, muestran respeto, son dueños de sus acciones, actuar de forma segura y estar al de la altura de desafío. So, todo el tiempo están tratando su mejor y están poniendo esfuerzo en todo lo que hacen. We want to wish everyone a happy birthday. If you celebrated a birthday this week, happy birthday to you. Feliz cumpleaños a todos que celebraron un cumpleaños esta semana. Again, today is September 11th, 2020, and so on this day we are remembering 9/11. So we do have our counselor with some information about 9/11. So hoy es el 11 de septiembre y en ese momento estamos recordando el 9/11. So la consejera Ms. Guerrero tiene unos anuncios sobre eso.
Hi Falcons, I'm here to tell you about an important date called September 11th. 9/11 is a day that airplanes crashed into a really tall building called the Twin Towers. There were many brave people like firemen, police officers, ordinary people who went to help. El 11 de septiembre es un día en que aviones se estrellaron contra edificios altos llamadas las Torres Gemelas. Hubo mucha gente valiente como bomberos, policías, gente común que fueron a ayudar. Let's take a moment to reflect and honor these heroes. Vamos a tomar un momento para reflexionar y honrar a esos héroes. Thank you, boys and girls.
Thank you, Ms. Guerrero. Starting with our announcements, we do want to continue to thank you, families, for your positive attitudes, your flexibility, your support, your dedication. We are definitely stronger together, and we cannot thank you enough for your support during this time and for all that you continue to do for our kids and for our staff. Thank you so much. Muchísimas gracias, familias, por su actitud dispositiva, su flexibilidad, su apoyo, su dedicación. Somos más fuertes juntos y muchísimas gracias por todo lo que hacen para nuestros niños y el esfuerzo que ponen en sus casas. Muchísimas gracias. We do have our next announcement is from Ms. Guerrero regarding emotional intelligence. So we'll go ahead and start with that.
Hi Fields Falcons, Ms. Guerrero here to tell you about a special day next week that we will be celebrating. We will be celebrating the book called The Dot. Our emotional intelligence focus will be motivation. When things feel difficult or when we are having a hard time learning something new, we must find ways to work through these challenges. This will make us stronger and feel more confident in our abilities. As you are listening to the Dot next week, take time to reflect on how you can try something new even when it is hard at first. Keep trying and don't give up. Now Mrs. Lopez will explain how you can celebrate International Dot Day. La semana que viene celebraremos este libro llamado El Punto. Nuestro enfoque de inteligencia emocional será la motivación. Cuando las cosas se sienten difíciles o cuando tengamos dificultades para aprender algo nuevo, debemos encontrar formas de superar. Esto nos hará más fuerte y nos hará sentir más seguro de nuestras habilidades. Mientras que escuches el libro El Punto la próxima semana, toma un tiempo para reflexionar sobre cómo puedes intentar hacer algo nuevo incluso cuando sea difícil. Sigue intentándolo y no te rindas. Ahora la señora López nos dirá un poquito más sobre unas actividades que podemos hacer para celebrar el Día Internacional del Libro El Punto. Boys and girls, I hope you enjoy this book and I hope that you learn more about motivation in reading this book. Espero que aprendas un poquito más sobre la motivación en leer este libro. Enjoy. Bye, Falcons.
Thank you, Ms. Guerrero, and thank you, Ms. Lopez, for that great video. We are going to celebrate International Dot Day, and like Ms. Guerrero said, we are highlighting the emotional intelligence of motivation. So join us in celebrating by decorating your front door with all kinds of dots. And when? That'll be next week, September 14th through 18th. And where? In the comfort of your very own home. And so why? Well, this is a Fields Elementary community event that will promote creativity and fun, and we all want to make our mark. And so that is based on the book The Dot by Peter H. Reynolds. And so make sure that you tag us with your pictures on Twitter or Facebook at Fields Falcons, at Lebrian Lopez, hashtag Fields Inspires, hashtag Dot Day 2020. So, vamos a celebrar el Día Internacional del Punto y vamos a celebrar condecorando la puerta enfrente de su casa o de una recámara en su casa. Y cuando, pues es la semana que viene, el día 14 a 18, y es en su propia casa. Y pues queremos todos que participen, ¿verdad? Para un evento de nuestra comunidad de Fields. Para promover creatividad y para divertirnos, ¿verdad? Y eso es del cuento El Punto, sobre Peter H. Reynolds. So, por favor, mándanos sus retratos en Twitter o en Facebook a Fields Falcons, Lebrian Lopez, para que podamos ver y celebrar juntos.
Hey, Fields Falcon. September is Childhood Cancer Awareness Month. Join us in supporting the fighters by wearing your Falcon Gold Spirit attire every Friday this month. Septiembre es el mes de concientización sobre el cáncer hospital. Únete a nosotros para apoyar a los luchadores de cáncer, vistiendo en su atuendo de Falcon Gold todos los viernes de este mes.
Thank you. And that message was from our assistant principal, Ms. Ramirez. Please join us for showing our support for childhood cancer awareness. Gracias, Ms. Ramirez, por esa información.
Hello, Falcons. This is Ms. Santoyo, and today I will be talking to you about 16 de septiembre. So 16 de septiembre is the Mexican Independence Day. This is a day when Mexico celebrates its freedom from Spain. The celebration begins on the evening of the 15th with the town mayor giving out a grito and then ringing a bell. El 16 de septiembre es una fecha muy importante para todos los mexicanos ya que ese día se conmemora la independencia de México de España de 1810. El padre Miguel Hidalgo tocó las campanas del Templo de Dolores y llamó a todos los que querían ser libres, a defender sus ideas y a luchar por un nuevo país. Así comenzó la lucha por la independencia, en la que muchas mujeres y hombres valientes dieron su esfuerzo y dedicación para que naciera México.
Thank you, Miss Santoyo. Now we're going to get into information about our apps, boys and girls. We hope that all of you have been doing all of your apps during your tech time and on your iPads. So we do have Miss Campos will start us out with Dreambox. Esperamos que todos están usando sus aplicaciones en su iPad y que están trabajando muy duro. Hoy es la primera semana que vamos a anunciar los que están saliendo arriba de todos los demás y que están completando y están haciendo mejor en los apps. So va a empezar Miss Campos con Dreambox.
Good afternoon, boys and girls. I'm here to announce the Dreambox winners. Remember, with Dreambox, we're not only looking for how many lessons you do, we're looking for how many lessons you do well. This week's winners are, in pre-K, Gaby Salinas in Miss Villanueva's class. Kinder, Nathaniel Peña in Miss Llanos' class. First grade, Mia Hernandez in Miss Flores' class. Second grade, Isabella Gomez in Miss Cantu's class. Third grade, Angelique Campos in Miss I. Garcia's class. Fourth grade, Juan Torres in Miss Palacios' class. And fifth grade, Caleb Alejandro in Miss Luera's class.
Thank you, Ms. Campos. And Ms. Campos is our math interventionist. So if you ever have any questions regarding Dreambox or anything like that, you can always reach out to Ms. Campos. Ms. Campos es la entrenadora de matemáticas para la escuela. So si tienen preguntas sobre Dreambox o sobre matemáticas, pueden hablar con ella también.
Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss Santoyo, and today I will be announcing our top Smarty Ants students in grades kinder through second grade. Remember that Smarty Ants is an amazing reading program that will help you become a better reader. So in pre-K, we have Miss Emma Mendez. In kinder, our top Smarty Ant student is Nathaniel Peña. In first grade, we have Azelena Alvarez. And in second grade, Liam Azulay. Great job.
Thank you, Ms. Santoyo. And Ms. Santoyo is our literacy coach, es la entrenadora de lectura para la escuela. So if you do have any questions regarding Smarty Ants or literacy, you can always reach out to Ms. Santoyo as well. So si tienen preguntas sobre lectura, escritura, Smarty Ants o Achieve 3000, puede hablar con Ms. Santoyo.
Hey, Field Falcon, this is Ms. Ramirez, ready to announce the top 3 students for Achieve 3000. Achieve 3000 is a program for 3rd through 5th grade students to improve their lexile levels as well as their comprehension. In order for you to be named in the top 3, the criteria is as follows. You must have read at least 2 articles minimum, so that means you can read more, and have a 75% average or higher. Congratulations to Atlantis James in 5th grade, Fernando Sanchez in 5th grade, and Aria Enriquez in 3rd grade. Way to go, Falcon.
Thank you, Ms. Ramirez, and congratulations, boys and girls.
Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Lopez, your librarian, and I'm extremely excited to announce who my top readers are for this new school year. We're in a new school year, boys and girls, 2020-2021. How exciting is that? So as this year progresses, I'm going to continue to announce my top readers. So boys and girls, if your name is not announced today, then make sure that you are reading a book of your choice that you love and that you AR test on it. Really quick, an easy way to AR test is to find the Clever app on your iPad. And once you sign into Clever, you can easily find Renaissance Learning, or AR, so that you can tap on that and test on the book you've read. So, without further ado, let me announce who my top readers are for the first announcement of the new school year. And let me start with my drum roll. And my top readers are, in first grade, it's Catalina Cárdenas. In second grade, it's Cami Gaona. In third grade, Isabella Landeros. Fourth grade, Ariane Castillo. And in fifth grade, Atlantis James. I am so proud of you all. And boys and girls, I want to announce more names as the year progresses. Good job, boys and girls. And remember, when you're reading, you're learning, and you're growing. Bye.
Thank you so much, Ms. Lopez, and congratulations, boys and girls. Now for our Falcons of the Week, for our Students of the Week, para las estudiantes de la semana. Let's start with pre-K. In pre-K, in Ms. Flores' class, we have Teana Ordonez. With Mrs. Villanueva, we have Camila Perez. With Mr. Acosta, Ezequiel Saucedo. And with Ms. Fonseca, Damian Velasquez. Congratulations, boys and girls. Keep soaring high. In kindergarten, in Ms. Cabrera's class, we have Casey Ramos. In Mrs. Garcia's class, Sofia Ozuna. In Ms. Llanos' class, Melicinda Torres. And with Mrs. Longoria, Richard Lorenzo. Congratulations, Falcons. Great job. In first grade, in Ms. Casas' class, we have Daniel Herrera. In Mrs. Flores' class, we have Elias Herrera Tamayo. With Ms. Ponce, Neve Cárdenas. And with Ms. Valdez, Maria Dominguez. Great job, Falcons. In second grade, in Ms. Cantu's class, Santiago Davila. With Mrs. Castillo, Valeria Ortiz. And with Ms. Garcia, Quentin Chavez. Good job, boys and girls. You are definitely stars. In third grade, congratulations to, in Ms. I. Garcia's class, Liliana Rodriguez. In Mrs. Muniz's class, Brian Liscano. And with Mrs. Ibarra, Mariano Quiroz. We are so proud of you. Good job, boys and girls. In fourth grade, with Mrs. Bailly, Nefi Treviño. With Mrs. Peña, Mila Gutierrez. With Mrs. Taylor, Jaciel Izaguirre. With Ms. Palacios, Aranzazu Robledo. And with Mr. Puente, Adeline Hernandez. Great job, boys and girls. Keep soaring. And in fifth grade, we have our super fifth graders here. With Mrs. Aguilar, we have Edgar Alonso. With Ms. Loera, Genesis Ballesteros. And with Mrs. Gaitan, David Alamia. Congratulations, fifth graders. Keep soaring high. For our specials classes, in PE, we have Cami Gaona in second grade. In library, we have Ariane Castillo in fourth grade. And in music, Brian Liscano in third grade. Great job, boys and girls. Keep up the great work. Boys and girls, Fields Falcons, Fields community, as always, we want to remind everyone to always work hard and be kind. Que trabajan duro y todo el tiempo están amables. Boys and girls, Fields community, Fields families, we love you all. Please stay safe. We miss you. We can't wait to see you soon. Please make sure that you're taking care of yourselves. We do hope to see you soon, and thank you so much for everything that you continue to do. Queremos a todos ustedes, por favor, siguen manteniendo su salud y cuídense mucho. Thank you.